Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these AI photo editors, which is Pixlr. So let's get started with the beginner guide and a full beginner review about this platform. Pixlr in 2025 is one of the best free AI-powered photo editors for fast, high-quality edit without needing a design skills. It runs entire in your browser, no download needed, and offer two versions, which is Pixel X for beginners and Pixel E for advanced users. You can remove background, enhance photos, and add filters, and create social media content using the smart AI tools. It's fast, easy to use, and supports layouts, template, and various file formats like JPEG, PNG, and PSD. What makes Pixel stand out is its balance of power and simplicity. Whether you are a designer designing a thumbnail, editing selfie, or creating product visual, its one-click AI tools save tons of time. Plus, it works well even on a low-end device and includes a built-in template for Instagrams, YouTubes, and ads. While Advanced Pro might still prefer Photoshop, Pixel is the go-to choice in 2025 for fast, smart, and affordable online photo editings, ideas for creators, students, and small businesses. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this video review. And if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.